Alright, it's 10:30 at night. We're in Paragould, Arkansas. All Day Inn Express. You what?
Our room there with that awesome window.
Which one are you talking about? Oh, what is that?
They're doing some type of work in that room. You can see ladders and stuff. Mine's empty, so.
I'm throwing mine away. Shit, you said. Oh, this is where the breakfast is?
It's got the different trays and stuff.
Yeah. Oh, and that's the pancake maker. Yeah, 6:30 to 9:30. Yeah, third floor. Is there vending over here?
We'll probably have one on our floor too.
Yep, they got soda and chips. They got Dr. Pepper.
Pepsi or Coke?
What?
Is it Pepsi or Coke?
Powerade.
Which one?
It's Coke. There's Coke and Sprite. What did you call it? You said it's Paragould?
Paragould.
Paragould.
Yeah, I put these in there. I think it was a peppermint. It was cinnamon. I was like, oh, that was weird. I was like, there's something wrong with it.
Did you just hear that? Oh.
What room is it?
I'm scared right now. Okay, ice and vending. So let's see what vending we have.
Same thing.
No, we have only ice. So we'll have to go down to the first floor for soda.
What was it again? 312?
Yes. Looks like it is nice new carpet. I would say this is, I think it's a newer hotel. Holiday Inn Express.
I can't get it out, Holly.
Sorry.
So you can stick it in a motherfucker.
Bathroom. Oh, they got the shampoo in the shower. You have a Keurig in here. It's kind of freezing.
I think it's on AC and
What was our view?
it should be the parking lot.
Are we the front?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it wall thermostat or just steps?
Yeah, I don't see a wall thermostat. We just walked in the room, it's freezing. I would say this hotel's kind of new, don't you think?
Oh, something like it's got water damage all over the front counter.
Are the what?
Above the front counter over there. It's an awful lot of wasted room though.
Yeah. I wonder if there's supposed to be like a chair here. Or maybe like if you had a pull-out bed, that could be there or an extra. Yeah. This is a king bed. And this is technically what they call a suite. But it's just one room. I mean, like I said, there's extra space there. Maybe they give you a rollaway bed if you need it. Not for sure what makes it a suite. Yeah, because I feel like something should be over there too. I feel like something should be over there too, like they're missing chairs or something.
No,
There-
this is it.
Because, you know what I mean? Like, sometimes there's like a little corner table with a chair. There's like,
I just think this is it.
I understand that. I'm just saying, normally I would think there'd be chairs and tables right there.